Changsha Mining Equipment Company Limited. We are a professional and reliable supplier of mining equipment under the trademark of CSME. Step inside our heavy-duty locomotive workshops built for high-capacity, reliable mining transport solutions. Here is our rock loader line, featuring newly finished, precision-engineered equipment ready for delivery. Our massive mining hoist facility ensures continuous, large-scale production to meet heavy industrial demands worldwide. Expert welding and strict craftsmanship guarantee the supreme durability of our mining cars. With extensive steel rail storage, we maintain immediate availability for all track infrastructure projects. Discover our massive processing center, crafting powerful ball mills and mineral crushers. Fresh from the line, these vibrant marking loaders represent our top-tier manufacturing quality. Zooming into our advanced drilling rig department, where heavy-duty performance begins. From winches to turnkey heavy machinery, we are your trusted partner in global mining. We have a professional, international trade team, an excellent, quality control team, and a responsible, after-sales service team. We specialize in helping clients find the most suitable and competitive products, and we also ensure good quality and sufficient after-sales service. We will continue to provide solutions and competitive products in the mining industry. We survive on quality, and your trust is our motivation.